Day 6. Okay, so the GC has got the guys working on Saturday because he only wants to be 1 day behind. So the framers are working today, Saturday.
And they are confused about what to actually do again.
And yeah, they were confused why the plumbing was done the way it was done. They thought that she was supposed to dig a hole through the cement, but that's not how they had it planned. They've got her on top of the cement and do a subfloor on top of that. But the weird thing was, they didn't know anything. They didn't even know there was a mini loft going there. They just thought it was all one level. What I understood from them was that they just were going to do a subfloor in the bedroom area. They didn't even realize it was supposed to be 2.6 inches off the ground, which would make it a mini loft.
So that turned into a then phone conversation with the project manager as to what they were supposed to do. I was there listening in on that phone call, and back and forth, and the subcontractors were like, no, we didn't bid on that. We just bid on the bedroom part. One of the partners joined the phone call and said, no, you guys need to do the subfloor. And then meanwhile, they're taking the garage door apart so they can put up that wall today. And then, of course, halfway through that, what happened? Everything just...
Okay, so I think what happened was that, I came out with my phone to show them actual video of the granny flat that I'm basing this off of, so they have an idea of how it's supposed to look. So I'm a little bit freaked because how is it that these guys don't even know what they're building and they're here to build something for us? So I was a little bit freaked out. What else?
And all along, working so closely with the construction company and the architect and making revisions to get Donna's vision to come to life, and we all agreed on that.
And Rob was actually there when the framer's boss came to do the quote to the garage. I mean, Rob was right there.
Welcome.
So he knew exactly what was supposed to be done.
Yes, the general contractor walked them through everything that he was responsible for framing out. And yes, okay. And then what we heard on the phone call was that he didn't, back up, is that contractor we had to go on vacation, so he turned the project over to his brother, who's not as experienced.
The plot thickness, which is why we had problems from day one.
Yes.
He was too inexperienced. That's what the general contractor said. Yeah, he had great success with the brother.
Yes. So it was left with, they pretty much packed everything up and left the garage half disassembled, have half of the wood in the driveway with rain coming.
So poor Rob has to now jump in the car and run to Home Depot and fork out $50 to cover all this wood.
Yeah, which is only half the wood that's needed. So, but we're assured from the construction company, the project manager, do not worry about this. We will make this right. We will get back to you. Do not worry about this. We will make it right. So it was like, what are you going to do? And
so they'll be back on Monday.